Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a topic a lot of you have asked about, medications that can cause dry scalp and how to prevent it. Let's get straight into it. First up, acne medications. If you're on isotretinoin or topical retinoids, you might notice your scalp getting flaky. These meds reduce oil production, leading to dryness. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo and a lightweight scalp moisturizer. And remember, don't overwash your hair. Next, antidepressants and anti-anxiety meds. SSRIs and tricyclic antidepressants can reduce natural oil production. Stay hydrated and eat omega-3 rich foods like salmon and flax seeds. Your scalp will thank you. Moving on to antihistamines. Meds like diphenhydramine and cetirizine can dry out your skin. Increase your water intake and consider using a humidifier. This helps retain moisture in both your skin and scalp. Now let's talk about blood pressure medications. Diuretics can lead to dehydration, and beta blockers might reduce blood circulation to the scalp. Drink plenty of fluids, eat hydrating foods, and massage your scalp to boost circulation. Hormonal medications can also alter oil production. Use nourishing scalp serums or natural oils like jojoba or argan oil. Chemotherapy and immunosuppressants can severely dry out your scalp. Stick to a gentle, fragrance-free scalp moisturizer and avoid harsh hair products. Antifungal and antiviral medications can also contribute to dryness. Oral antifungals and antivirals might have mild drying effects. Opt for hydrating shampoos and avoid excessive heat styling. Here are some general tips for preventing dry scalp. Use hydrating shampoo and conditioner with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or shea butter. Avoid hot showers. Lukewarm water is best. Massage your scalp, stay hydrated, and use a humidifier to combat dry indoor air. If your dry scalp persists, consult your healthcare provider for alternative medication options or additional treatments. Thanks for watching, and take care of your scalp. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and info. See you next time.